Okay, so now this is there. The good thing is, because we are starting with block based, we will see the block, but whatever we will do in the block, we will see our code also here. So you go here, click here, and go to Extras and say split view. You can see that, or should I do once again?
And go to extras, split view, and go.
Yeah, exactly.
Done.
Done, right? Now you have two portions. The portion one,
it's like the designer tab.
Yes, here we will be designing, and second thing, here we will see how the code is coming. For example, now I'm going, and we will touch all the things one by one. Today we will start with something very simple. This is called Python Turtle. What it has to be used, it is just like a Python Turtle. You can think it's like a turtle on whose tail you have put a paint. Okay? And then you have to command your turtle that do this, do that, and based on that you have to create drawings. When you do that, you will learn two things. One is your mathematics is really good, you understand shapes, and second, how you code and command. Okay, so first thing I'm putting it here.
Some title.
Yeah. So yeah. So for example, let's say later on when we are, because you can type very well, small kids cannot type. So in future, when we will be not using edu block, I may ask you that import turtle. That time what you have to do? You have to do what is in the right hand side.
Right? From turtle import.
Yes, so that thing you have to do later on, not right now. Okay. Now what we will do, the 3 or 4 lines that if you have some doubts, still no need to ask the questions. Later on they will get cleared. So just like you can just follow me.
Turtle 0 screen. Turtle peachy color. Why am I not able to open Zoom?
You are not able. Are you able to do same thing, or you are not finding something?
Yes, I have done till here.
Yeah. So you are not getting something. You done?
Yes, I've done till here.
Yeah, great. So once you're done till here, this is our first basic thing we have done already. What it says, we will just check. We will go and we will say run. Okay. So when I say run, I get a red portion. Whatever is the red portion, that is my screen where I will be drawing. I can make it big or small, but that we will do later on. Okay. So now you also have to run and check till that your code is fine and everything is working.
Run. Yeah.
Yeah. We're able to do that. Now our first learning starts from here. This thing, screen.bg color. BG means background. He's trying to mention here.
Background color.
Okay, background color. And he says 25500. So I won't understand like what is this 25500. Have you heard like that colors explaining like this earlier anytime?
Like maybe this is the X and Y axis, like how much it should be covered.
No. So let's see how it happens. Have you heard anywhere this? If not heard, it's fine, because most of the people has not heard. There is nothing great to hear about this.
RGB.
Okay. G for
green.
Green. And B for
blue.
Blue. So these are the 3 colors. So whenever somebody says, give you 3 colors, like say somebody is mentioning the color can be mentioned in so many different ways. Do you do like, have you done any paintings, or you have a bit interest in painting or something?
Yes, I have done painting.
Yeah. So when you do painting, if you have to make color, how you make? You can mix 2 colors and you can make any third color, right?
Yes.
And then you have only 6, 7, 8, 10 colors, and by that you make so many colors. Right?
Like
Here's
mixture.
what, yeah. So here what I'm saying, I have only 3 colors. I have red, I have green,
I have blue.
and I have blue. When I say 255, why we say 255, that I will tell you later on. But just you think right now, it has 255 different way of putting red. And it's not 255 different way of putting red. When I say 0, that means no red at all. When I say 255, means I have mixed a full red bottle. So think like that. I am having 1 bottle of red color, 1 bottle of green color, and 1 bottle of blue color, right? Now, I have to make any color. Somebody is telling me that you can make any color from these 3 bottles if you know the formula of that color. Okay, and the formula is what? How much red bottle you should mix, how much green bottle you should mix, how much blue bottle you should mix. Okay, so now somebody is telling me if you want to make full red, what you have to do? Take full red bottle and pour in, but don't pour any green, don't pour any blue.
Blue.
Yeah, don't pour, right? So then what you will get? For sure you will get red only because you haven't mixed anything else. But you have any idea if I mix red and green, what kind of color I get?
I think forgot. Red and green maybe.
No issues. So what we will do, first we will check somebody is telling is right or not. So what we will do, we will come here and we will say that, okay, this YOLAB teacher is telling me that it happens like that, but we won't believe anyone. We check ourselves, right? So now it should become green.
Yes.
It becomes green. What I'm saying makes some sense. Still we have to check for blue, but at least partially it's correct. So we run again. This time the background should be blue, right? Sorry, green.
Green.
Yeah, so this is the green. And this is the true green. If let's say in future you want to check what is the true green for computers. So this is only green. I haven't mixed anything. Right?
Can I try to try?
Yeah, so you try now blue and see.
Screen. Red to 0. Open it. It was 0, 0.
Take care of the commas, they are there.
Yes, we need to put space after every comma.
No, space is not required. Just comma is important.
255. Yes, now it's blue.
Now it's blue, right? And that gives you an idea of what is true blue for that thing. Now, let's say if I want to put yellow color, right? But yellow is not there. So yellow, if I have to put, what I have to do, I have to mix any 2 of the colors. But who knows, man?
Blue.
Huh?
I think
green and blue. Let's see, mix green and blue. Let's mix. Let's see yellow comes or not. I will also try. You also try. So I'm now red. I'm keeping 0 and green and blue. I'm putting. And let's see.
255. Let's see. Run.
Yeah. No.
No, it's not.
Yeah. So that it teaches you something about colors also, right? So then what remains? Should I make red and green? Should we mix and see what happens?
I think red and green will get yellow.
Yeah. Let's see.
No.
Yeah. So this time you are correct.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. So now we know if you mix red and green, I get yellow. But how many colors you can remember like this, right? There is a limit.
Yes.
But finally, after sometimes I'll say enough is enough. I can't remember all these things. Somebody should tell me. Who tells these days all the things to us?
Computer.
Google. Yeah, in computer also. Google teaches, right?
Google.
So now you are making something and you want like, can somebody tell me what is Google's blue color? Right? You just want to put exactly Google's blue color. So what I will ask to Google blue color RGB code. RGB is red, green, blue. Code means the numbers, and Google Blue is Google Blue. It may search something else also, but I am interested in this thing. The moment I'll get this number, I will come out. And somebody is telling me 66, 133, 244.
244.
Yeah. Three things, right? RGB, 66, 133, 244.
244.
Yeah. So can you try this and see like what is Google's Blue?
66, 133, 244.
Yeah.
Six, 133, 66, 133, and 244.
Yeah.
Run. Yes, got it. Google's Blue.
Google's Blue. Does that look like Google's Blue? Yeah. So even it won't look like Google says this is my blue, so this is our blue, right? So actually it looks like exactly same. So tomorrow, let's say you got any color. There is two ways. One, you just can search in the Google, right? And then there are even things that pick RGB color for you. So let's say if you want to make any color, and somebody will tell you that, okay, this color, for this color, this is the RGB value. So always use Google. In later on, you have some tools also that tells you that, let's say in our screen, so many colors are there, right? I just take a tool and I just drop it here and it will tell me what is the Python's yellow color. Okay. What is this blue color? So all the things. So now you know RGB very well. So what I want, tell me your favorite color.
Like it's blue only.
Oh, it's blue only then. Okay. So now we will learn two things also. If I want to create black screen, but generally that is the screen, right? Black boards, black screen. So what am I supposed to do for black?
Can repeat black.
Yeah.
So we can mix gray and not gray and white. Like if you have to make black through these three colors, RGB.
Yes.
So we can search it in Google.
Yes, search, and you will get surprised that like what is the real black means.
It says 0, 0, 0.
Yeah, so no color, right?
Yes.
It's simple. Like when we won't put any light, what happens? Generally dark. Dark is what? Black. So the definition of black itself is absence of everything.
Oh, yeah, absence.
When we say that a space is black, why it is black? Because nothing is there. The moment something is there, star is there, sun is there, they give some color. When nothing is there, it's black. When we say, have you heard about these black holes?
Yes, in space.
Why they are called black holes?
Because they are black.
No, they are not black because they won't allow anything to come back. So because they won't allow even you go, any color goes, anything goes, it won't allow anything to come back. When nothing is coming back, absence of everything is black.
Yes.
That is the definition of black. So when I put 0, 0, 0, I get black. And that gives you a rough idea that from dark to light, how you go, right? If you want to create light colors, which side you have to go? If you want to create dark colors, which side you have to be? So now I am putting 0, 0, 0. I'll run again and let's see what I get. I get earlier it was blue and I supposed to get black and I'm getting black. And to 0, 0, 0, that means this is the true black, right? So now I am putting it off. And now only one last color remains. Why we are still doing so much with the colors? Because later on, whenever we do, we like always learn something out of code and then we learn code. By that, the code won't become boring and then we keep doing our experiments and code we keep learning for hours. Let's say now if this is there and you have to check all the colors, you are changing so many times into .bg color. It's in your mind now. In future, like you know at least screen.bg color, it's on your fingertips how to do that. So now tell me what could be the white? If black is 0, 0, 0, you can get a hint what could be the white.
So white we need a presence of everything then.
Yes. Presence of everything and everything full present.
Like 909.
No, 255 is the maximum. That I will tell you later on why 255. Like who got, like God gave the number 255 or what, from where this number came 255, right? Everything should have some sense.
White.
White, right?
I can say a bit of line, like
A bit of line, because this is our screen, right? This is our screen, right? So this is what we have created white. This is just extra space. We can make it big, but right now we will work with this only.
Okay.
Why we are not making big? Because I'm making big, like in a few things, what I want to do quickly, they create problem there rather than giving solution. Later on, when we'll create bigger designs, we'll make screen bigger and bigger. Okay. So till now, the things are very clear. We know background. Whatever background color we want to put, we can put. Now it's your call. You put your favorite background color and we go ahead.
Like I've already done, it's blue.
Yeah, so for you it's blue. I'll put red for me. So just like we have two different contrast. Okay. Now if I have done background color, I have to have a pen, right? So if I have to have a pen, then the pen also should have a color. And always remember this, you should not have the same color of your.
Like you should have some different color so that the pen is visible.
Exactly. So if I am having this thing, my pen color, what should I take?
I can take black.
Yeah, you can take. Black and blue is very good combination. You can take that. So you can take 0, 0, 0. And sometimes when you won't take, sometimes in the codes, always remember, sometimes the default colors are black colors. So if you are not taking either black or white, it picks automatically. Okay. So always you don't have to bother about that. But let's say we are picking this color. If we are picking this color, we want to check everything is working fine or not. The way to check is
turtle pen color is 0, 0, 0.
Yeah.
Done.
Right. So what I did, now I said like I got background, I got a pen color, right? And now what I want, I just want that my pen start moving. So I said, okay, move 90. Now 90 you can consider as 90 steps, 90 pixels. You don't bother about this. It will give you some size. Later on you can find out what this size is. Yeah. So forward 90 means you understand it. It's like 90 steps for you, or say 90 pixels. Pixels, if you not understand, for you right now it's a 90 steps.
Turtle forward 90. Then. Yeah. And then there has to be RT also, like turn right.
Exactly. Now you know. So I go again, and then I say turn left or right.
Right. No, right.
Let's turn right.
Yes, right.
How much I should turn?
Turn 90 degree.
Okay. Then now I have to make a square.
Square. Okay. Forward.
So you finish the remaining thing in your thing.
Okay. So can we copy the blocks?
You can duplicate.
Yes. Right. Then again copy.
But you can copy, duplicate like
then again
one only at a time. So I said this is not very user friendly, but a very quick start. That's why we are using this. After sometimes when you are like more and more, you are knowing the coding, you will find out that, okay, this is not so great. It gives you some. Done?
This one, right? Then again forward. So this repeat. There's not a repeat block in this, like repeat 4 times.
So many things are there. We will do that. So first, first we will do like this. Then we will check about repeat thing also.
Right. Just 1 minute. Let me check. Just one more.
So in Scratch you have repeat, right?
No, I've not tried Scratch. No, I've just seen it, but I've done just simple that cat game. I just said forward, right?
Yeah. So,
Forward, and then last is done.
done. Share your screen. Let's see.
Right. Okay. That to go here. Share screen. Or it's written pause disabled participant screen sharing.
1 second. This now.
It's not screen share. Can you see the Google? So can you see the screen?
Yes, I can.
Run.
Yeah. So now you are able to make
A square.
square. Now, before that, we will go to and find the repeat button. I want you to make a triangle also for me. You
Triangle.
can change. Yeah, you can change in this also. So few things you have to remove, cut, paste, change, and you should make a triangle.
Like for triangle, we need to go forward only, but not like this. Like we need to go in a slanting way.
Yeah.
So
how I go in slanting way. So in your like geometry classes, triangles are there now?
Yes.
Yes. So whenever you have to make, let's say, isosceles triangle, what you do?
Like two sides are equal.
Yeah.
So forward 90. Then let me try. Forward 90. What's this? Right. It's right 45 this time.
You try, finally you give me, yeah,
right.
45, finally
right,
at the end of the day, you give me a beautiful triangle.
180 or it's 60. And then forward 90. Then right 60. What's this? Right. Just let me test it one.
Oops.
Something
went seriously wrong.
No, I'm not done it completely.
Okay.
I think these all should be into. I think maybe.
Okay.
Duplicate. Forward 9. Now let's try.
So nothing wrong. You are doing correct only. Let me just tell you one thing. Be on your screen only. Right?
It's like it's becoming trapezium now. If
yes,
I put
so,
a straight line.
Yeah, so it will looks like it will become hexagon. Huh? Looks like this was converting
No,
to
not hexagon. If we do like, it will become a trapezium also, like straight line.
Yes. Huh? So then it can become trapezium also. So till that you went 90, right? So this was very okay. Then you said turn 60 degree. Always remember this turtle will turn from, so turtle is like you are walking in this direction. The moment you say 60 degree, it turns 60 degree.
I think we have to put
120.
like this,
yes.
45.
120.
120, yes.
No, 90 is fine. 90 is fine. Yeah, just take.
And then forward 90 again.
Yes. Then again right
and then
again right is 120. And third, again you can turn. Even if you won't turn, you would have reached to the last point. Yeah, so now you run. Let's see.
Yes, now it's good.
So now it's a triangle.
Right? Because I thought, because the angles of triangle are 60, 60, so I thought 60.
Yeah, so 60, what you are doing is very fine because triangles angles are actually 60, 60, 60 degree only. But Later on, we will understand one very beautiful concept. By that, you will never make a mistake in your exams also here also, because people will ask you that kind of questions.
Like,
So always remember, add up of outside angles, right? So whatever angles you turn, add of all the angles should be 360 degrees, right? Because what happens, whenever whatever polygon we are making, at the end we are coming back here. Huh? So in a square, we are taking turns 4 times. So divide my, forget my drawing right now. Let me do it again, bit more better way. So let's say this is, so always you have to turn how much? 360 degree, 360 degree. One full circle is 360, right? And if you have to turn 360 degree, and then say let's you are making a rectangle, rectangle means 4 times you will be turning. If 4 times you will be turning, every turn should be
90.
1/4 of your total 360. So you should turn of 90 degree. Because only in 4, so finally at the end, you have to always cover 360 degree.
Like
so
triangle,
yeah.
sides, triangle
you only get,
one upon 3.
Exactly, because you get only 3 times to turn. So 360 divided by 3, what will it? If it is a hexagon, 360 divided by 6, so
60.
Just 60. If it is octagon, whatever gun it is, now you know how to do that, right? So with this information, now we will go to our next concept. So this is like, it works fine till now. Already this code has become too much to create a triangle. So we need, as you asked, we need something that is called repeat or loops. So here, if you can see, here I have something that is called loops. Yeah. So in that, the second thing. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah. This one take out, put wherever you want to put it. Now, whatever you will put inside this, that will happen that many times.
4 times.
Yeah. So if you put this, it will happen 4 times. So for example, yeah, you put what you want to put inside that. Good. Very good. Yeah. So now let's.
You have to put I here for.
Let it be I. Huh? Later on we will change it something. But so I is just for its counting. Like say you are counting on the fingers, it counts on I.
Oh.
I equal to 1, now I equal to 2, I equal to 3, I equal to 4. So for computer, like, yeah, so because you put 4 times, it again came one more time here. You should have put 3 times, it would have been good, right? Now, you can create triangle. You can create, now what I want, can you create 3 triangles for me? Or let's say 2 triangles right now.
So we need separate for that?
At least like they should not be just one above another one. So like at least I should see them that, okay, in your screen 2 triangles are there.
So can we put another pen?
Yes, you can put another triangle if you want.
Like you can put another pen.
Another pen won't help. So how we do here, just always think this is like a command. You have one turtle, and on the turtle's back you have put a pen or a paintbrush. Or if you think in a simple.
Yes, I got it. I think I can put pen disable then.
Yeah, pen up or pen down, pen disable, pen enable or something. Let's go to turtle. Go to turtle and check what we have in this. Yeah, in the turtle. Yes. Go and check if you have something pen up or pen disable or something. Yeah. So when you say pen up, nothing will happen, right? Because pen is up. Now, inside, below here on. So now, once pen is up,
then
you want to take pen somewhere else, right? Yeah. So now you can take turtle forward somewhere, wherever you want, and then.
Turtle. Let's say 90 degrees.
So if you go 90, then exactly you go on the same line. So you have to go a little bit more or less, something at least you have to do different.
1 minute, let me check like where it is going.
Okay.
Oh, here. So it has to go like here.
So wherever you want to take. So yeah, so let's say if you want to take it straight or somewhere else, then you have to turn and then you say that go in this direction, it will go in that direction. Or if you want to don't want to turn or something, then you take the pen bit more, so at least it goes to the different position.
So what do you say? Pen width?
So two things. See, you have a pen. Okay. Now you asked it to go up. So pen is up now. So pen is not writing, but still whatever command you will do, it will do. So it's just like that. I am standing in front of the blackboard. I'm having a chalk, okay, or a marker. And then first you ask me to put a triangle. I put a triangle. I am now standing in one of the corner. So just let me do here. So first you ask me to do this. I did that, right? And now I am standing here. Now what you said, pen up. So I did the pen up. So I will not write. But if you ask me to go again in same direction, I will go and I will reach to this point only.
Yeah.
So if you want me to be at different point, either you can ask me rather than going 90, go 100 or 120, then I will reach here. And then you can ask me to draw another triangle. Or you can ask me go in this direction, right? Or you can ask me go in this direction. So either you have to change my direction or you have to change my length. So you have to send me somewhere else, not on the same triangle line.
Like here.
So how you do that?
Like I've done here.
Okay, you done? Yeah, great. So now you create another triangle there. And then we will learn a better and efficient way to do this.
Okay. Now we can put again that repeat block. Like repeat
Yes.
this.
Yes.
Where is that?
Or you word.
Let's say repeat one. Then let's copy. Duplicate. A little more forward maybe, because maybe it will go on that triangle. 180. 90. 120. Oh,
Oh, what happened?
I forgot to do pen down.
Yes. So turtle, in the turtle you will find. No, anyways, you can put in between them. No need to move right now. When you will bring
Like,
your
and
new
180,
block,
it's going very. It's
yeah, so
going
you
out
can
of
put
the
less.
screen.
Yeah. So you can put something less. Yeah.
And I have to put
pen
pen down in turtle. And
So
it's pen.
just you have to bring pen up only, and the pen up has pen down into inside this only. Yeah. So bring it.
Yeah.
Where you
Like
want.
when move forward, then pen down.
Yes. So have you done turtle anywhere earlier?
Like I've done it in logo. I don't think it is logo. Done. Two
Done,
triangles.
right? So you can do two. Now comes important questions that in the life, when we have just made two triangles, the life became difficult, right? If I ask you 10 triangles, you will say like, I don't want to do this class. If I say 100, you may say that I don't want me to live even on the earth because I am like a cruel person or something. But if I show you many drawings, there you will have like 50, 100, so many triangles. And so I want to do also, but at the same time, I don't want to upset you or me, or don't want to give you some donkey job. There is like keep adding things, keep adding things, keep adding things. So what we do, we say that okay, now we will become a bit smarter. Still, we will not become fully smart, but we'll try to become a bit smart. So go to the code again. Okay. So now I will teach you some, if you have heard, then you tell me, I will go a bit faster. Otherwise, I'll go a bit slower, because this is one of the most important concept of coding. Okay. So I'm sharing my screen now.
Okay, I'm stop sharing.
Okay. So we did till here. You did a bit more than this. So now what I'm doing, I'm saying that, okay, enough is enough. Can somebody teach me how I do. Here joins. Is it Salish? Hi Shailesh. Shailesh, right? You are not audible to us. One second, let me, because he's also joining first time, let me make few things clear to him.
Volume is full.
I don't know he's getting our messages or not. Shailesh.
Hi.
These things.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. You are very much audible. So you are audible. He is not. Shailesh, one second. Let me call. By that I can. Or what is the time if it is not much later on? 18 minutes is there. It's not nice if we are. Shailesh, are we audible to us? Just say thumbs up if you. We are audible, right? Yeah. Okay. So that's fine. I will talk to you when the class is over. Till that, you just try to follow us. And if in the meantime we can hear your sound, it's very good. So then we can like have a two-way communication. Okay, so Mridul, we will continue now because he is able to hear us. So what we will do now, it's a very important concept. Now we said that, okay, I did triangles, I did rectangles, all is fine. Now can somebody teach this dumb computer that always when I say create a triangle, now where he has gone. Where he has gone. Yeah. What happened? Mridul, audible now?
Yes, there was a power cut.
Okay. So what we are doing now, let's say we know how to create triangles, how to create rectangles and all the things, but we want to know that is there a way we can teach our code that you do that. That is called function. So function is nothing but for a code, it's set of instructions that I give him once and always I say that you remember that, then do that. For example, you both knows how to make Maggie?
No.
No, you don't know how to make noodles?
No.
2-minute noodles, okay. So you know how to make tea?
Yes, I know the process, but
Okay. So you know how to, okay. You know how to, what is your favorite game?
Favorite game?
FIFA, something. Okay, let's take it very simple. You know how to log into your Gmail, right? Both you know.
Yes.
Right? So if I say log into your Gmail, You both can log in, right?
Yes.
But it's not. Hello. Yeah. So what happens? You know how to log in yourself, but if you are not, if you won't know how to log in, I have to tell you first go to Google, then type Gmail, then there you have your login ID. If you are not knowing your login ID, go and ask your parents, or like if you nobody is knowing, then create one, then create a password and then log in. So a set of instructions, if I can give you in one line that log into Gmail, that means I have taught you a function. I have taught you a way that has so many small things inside, but I don't want to repeat them again and again. That is called function. So here what we will say that, okay, I want to create a function that is called rectangle. Rectangle has two things. What it has? It has length and it has
breadth.
Yeah, right? It has width. So if I am having this, what I have to teach him, that go to loops, bring this thing in, okay? And then you say,
4
if I have
times.
to repeat 4 times, then I say 4, right? Let's see that is that works fine or not. Then we have to see, then we go here in turtle. I go and say here turtle, that forward I have to put in. Then again I say that can you duplicate for me once. I put this thing and then I'll say here whenever it is there, put the length. Here it is 90, but then it can only create squares, right?
Like it has to
can't-
be different length.
Yeah. So to do the different length, I have to do one more time. And this time what I have to say? I have to say create width. And then I say, okay, can you do it once more? Then it will do once more. I'll put it here, not here. I'll put it here. And this time I will say, okay, done. If this is done and this is rectangle, in future, what I have to do? I have to just call this guy and say that, okay, can you do this for me? So I call a function and then I say that can you do this thing for me? It will do that thing for me by itself, right? So I'll just put my function name here. And what is the function name?
That function name it's rectangle.
Yes.
RECT.
Function name is rectangle. Now I can put my length and width. What length you want? Let's say 60. What width I want?
120.
Width 120, then that becomes length. Width always has to be smaller than length in normal sense, as such, like whatever you can call width, whatever length, but generally the sense of length is
30.
Yeah, 30. If I do that, will it make something? Let's check.
Like you didn't do right 20, right?
What happened? Because we haven't done left and right.
Yes.
I was thinking you will tell me before that. Okay.
I think we right also.
Yeah, we can do right or we can take left. Like both way it works fine. Right? Why it is doing 2 times? Anyone?
You said you already didn't repeat, right?
Yeah, suppose repeat, I have to do only twice now. First, if you see here, what I'm doing, I'm first saying this thing, the turtle forward length. How much? 60. I'm going 60. Then I'm saying turn 90, I turn 90. Then I'm saying, okay, width 30. Yeah, 30. And then I'm again turning. So already I'm creating half of the rectangle in one shot. So only I have to do it twice. So again, if I do this, and I'm creating my rectangle. So I don't have to do that. Now important is when you have done this, just look at your code. What is this side and what has happened? Okay. So in the code, what happens? Let's look at something. So the very first thing is, one second, let me put my pen somewhere here. This is from turtle import something. So what happens in Python? Somebody who is your big friend or like who are day in and day out into Python, what they do, they create something already for you to keep your life easier. So you are saying turtle go forward 60, 80, 90, but computer won't understand that much also. Somebody has written a complete code for turtle who is saying whenever somebody say from turtle import whatever is there in the turtle, from turtle import star means bring everything whatever is there in the turtle. Then what happens? Your computer start understanding that thing. If tomorrow you have to do, let's say, some computer vision, you can't do computer vision at this age. Even I can't do, right? I can't write a complete computer vision because thousands of guys are doing research, but I can say import computer vision. Then my computer starts understanding the computer vision. Still I have to write the code as I am writing here to create the triangle. I have to write the code that whom you have to look, what kind of colors you have to look, but I don't have to teach him all the things that how he looks, how he look into the colors. That already somebody has taught him and that we are directly using. Then the third and fourth you leave, second and third you leave right now, that I will teach you later on. Number 4, there, color. You know screen background color. Let's check our Shailesh knows it or not. So you know, Shailesh, what is RGB? RGB, or do you understand like with these 3 numbers what happens? No. Mridul, can you explain?
Yes. So the first RGB means red, blue, and green.
Red, green, and blue. Always
red,
remember the order. Huh?
Red, green, and blue. So like when we put 255, then it would be only red, like pure red without any mixture of something. And if we put 0 here, then 255 in the middle, then it will be only green. And if you want to mix something, then we can put like 60, 133, or maybe 244, then we have a mixture of colors.
Yeah. So just like I'll explain it in bit detail because this is very important for us to start. So Shailesh, how it happens? We have this RGB, just take that these are 3 colors. 0 means no color at all. 255 means full color. So same happens for all 3. If G is 0 means no green color. 255 means full of green color. B0 means no blue color. 255 means full blue color. Now, for example, let's check by one thing. Already he knows. So if I have to make it blue, the screen that was red, right? Already if we look at Mridul's screen, that was blue already. So if I have to make it blue, can you tell us which one I supposed to change? Because we can't hear your, so you can say me thumbs up that I will change, right? So there is first, second, and third. Which one should I make 0 and which one I should make 255 so I get the blue? There is first, should I change this? No. There is second, should I change this? No. There is third, should I change this? Yes. So should I put it 255? Okay. Let's see. And then before like running our code, we will check with Mridul also because he is now RGB expert. We will check with him that it will work or not. Okay. So before that, let me clear all these things. Yeah. So what I'm doing here, I'm making it 255 as Shailesh has asked me. And now I will just go and run my code. This is not blue. What happened, you know, what you did? 255, 0, 255, you mixed red and blue. If you mix red and blue, you get pink. Okay. So if I would have done this thing 0, I would have got only blue color. So let's do it once again. This time what we will do, we will make this thing 0. Okay. And now when we will make this thing 0, what we will do, we will go and we will run our code. It's blue. Why you are not able to see your pen color? Because your pen color is also blue. But now your background is blue.
I got
Yeah. So
again got disconnected.
yeah, I can see that. Anyways, sometimes it happens, but most of the time generally.
There was again a power cut.
Oh, power cut is happening there. No issues. So what happens now? You understand that how to change the color. Again, this time, Shailesh, one more time. I want to make my background green. And again, I will ask you the same question. You tell me by thumbs up or thumbs down if I have to change something. So I want to make it green. So to make green, should I change this first? No. Should I change this second? Okay. Should I change this third? Yes. Okay. So tell me what I'm doing is right or not. You said don't change this. I'm not changing. You said change this. I am changing this. You said change this. I'm changing this and making 0. But this time I'm not a very obedient guy. I'm not here completely. And I'll just do 200 on. Because also I want to do some experiments, right? So if I do that, what happens? Yeah. So still I got green, right? So 200 also I get green, 255 also I get green. So why somebody has to write 255? Because 255, the best possible green it can give. The moment you go lesser and lesser, you become darker and darker. Let's say if rather than this, if I would have put only 100, what would have happened? Only 100 will look, somebody will say it's black, somebody will say it's like dark green, somebody will say it's like a light darkish greenish black or something. When you start listing the terms like greenish black or blackish green and all the things, these are the colors, right? So it become dark. So if I put it more, it will start looking like a black.
And when we come to 0, it will be black.
So when we come to 0, it's super black. But let's see. This time I will put 50 only, and I will put it. Yeah. So now people start getting confused, right? Somebody will say it's green, somebody will say it's black, somebody will say like what kind of green it is, somebody will say what kind of black it is. But so what happens? Important thing is these are RGB colors. By mixing 3 colors, you can create any color exists in the world, not to very close extent, but for the kind of job we do, we are not artists. For us, it's fine. We can create exactly same kind of color. To find the colors, you have to Google and say RGB color code. Okay. Now, important thing is, if we have learned this line, then the next line is what? Turtle and pen color, right? So generally background and pen color should be different. So I was trying to do that. I was keeping my background red, pen color blue, generally that I do. Now this is very important because this you were here, so already you would have understand. So what I did, the only thing is if I put anything into def means define. That's the only meaning of def here. Def means define. Rect is name of the function because I'm creating a rectangle. And then what I'm saying, for I in range 2, yeah, so range 2 means 2 times. If I say I equal to range 10, I you just take at the moment like our fingers. So if I count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, computer also needs something to count. It takes I as a thing. So it writes in his own book, I equal to 1, I equal to 2, I equal to 3, keep writing. So it won't get confused. And then whatever I will say, it will do 2 times. So that is fine. But why I was doing that? is at the end of the class, at least we want to create a very good shape. And to create this very good shape, what we have to do? First, we have to clean our screen, and then we go here and we make it a little bit smaller. Right? And now I just want to do a small trick. And what we will write here, why I'm writing 18, you will understand later on. If Mridul, you would have understood if like you heard when I was saying something earlier that cause everything is 20. Finally, add of all that has to become 360, what I'm trying to create for that. That's why I put 18. So 18 into 20 is 360, 360 degrees full circle. So I want to create something that converts into the full circle. Let's see what it makes for us. Okay. I also don't know what it will make. Connection to server, that you will do later on. Before that, you want me to make it red?
No, it says RECT, but it has to be circle, right?
No, let's see what will become. Something will become for sure, right? If our code is right. Connection to server, that's a very good thing. I hope it has come back now. Yeah.
Oh, it's my triangle. It's a rectangle.
So now you think how important is the function. If I would not have put function, how many times I should have put this?
Now it will make 18 rectangles. Yeah. No, 20 rectangles.
Yeah. So how many rectangles I'll get here?
The number of times you put.
No. Shailesh is wrong and as well as Mridul is wrong. I'll get 18 rectangles, right? Because I said I equal to 18 and every time it has to create one rectangle, it has to turn by 20 degree and then it makes another rectangle. And because I want to make the rectangle in full circle, that's why
the function is important.
Yeah. So that's why I put here 20 and 20 into 18 is equal to 360 degree. So at least I am able to create a wheel kind of design or something very easily. Now what you have to do as your homework.
So what is the function for a circle?
Function for the circle. Function for the circle is, just think, what is circle? Anybody heard like definition of circle?
Like CIR. Circle.
Definition. Like, or so let's say like when I say rectangle has 4 sides. Every side is 90 degree angle. Somebody asks me what is triangle? I'll say hands up, and I will say triangle has 3 sides, and every angle is.
Triangle.
If you are measuring from inside, then 60 degree. If you are measuring from outside, then 120 degree. If somebody says me pentagon, hexagon, octagon, and all the things, I have always the definition. So if you look at octagon, what happens?
Look,
it's like 8 sides. 8 sides, right? If I make 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, if I keep making sides more and more and more, it will more and more start becoming like circular. So what you will do now, that itself is exactly your homework. First, like to make you happy, for circle, you don't have to do anything. Directly, somebody has created a function in Turtle. So directly you can say draw circle and it will draw it. So you don't have to write a function. But somebody was not so generous and you have to write, then what you have to do? So you will write a general function this time for any polygon. What I have written, like I have written something, okay, triangle. I have written only for rectangle. This is only creating, let me go here back. This guy is only giving me rectangle. It won't give me anything else. If I want to put triangle, I have to again write another thing. Now I want to be super smart and I want to, I'm saying that just, I want to write one function. In that function, if I say 3 sides, I tell the angles, it produces a triangle. If I say 4 sides, it produces a rectangle. If I say 5 sides, it produces a pentagon or all the things. Okay. And then if I say 360 sides or 100 sides, automatically that should look like a circle, because that is the definition of a circle. That so many sides. Actually, definition of circle, you will say it is infinite sides. Polygon of infinite side is a circle. That is the definition of a circle. And so now at home, what you have to do, look at this code. What you have done at your end for Salesforce, if you are not having it, I will save this. And anyways, like still 10 or 15 minutes I want to take with you. So later on, when you get the voice thingies and all, in evening, we will talk one-on-one. So just understand what you understood and how we have to go ahead and do the things. For Mridul, for you, you go here, you can say save. Okay, that will save the thing in your local computer. What will happen later on, let's say if you later on you want to use, you can just upload and use that. Okay. And even if you forget, because we are not doing something great, you can recreate it. If you are not able to recreate, I will put this thing in our Google Classroom also. That invite you will get after like tonight you will get Google Classroom invite. So then you can find it there also what we did today, and you can pick from there also.
Yes, sir.
Whole idea is whatever we are doing in that we are already creating a Python code for that. Okay, you have to keep looking at that. That if we are asking somebody to turn left, what you are saying turtle.left. When we are saying go forward, turtle.forward. So always remember from top why imported turtle. Right. So what I'm saying, you got a book. The book is called Turtle. In the turtle, go to forward, and there you check what forward means and do that. I'm not teaching him how to do forward, right? But I'm teaching him how to make rectangle, because that nobody taught him. So in Python, whenever we want to do something, generally we write a.b, means A is generally imported, B is generally subpart of A that it has to do. And then next thing is always we have this gap and indentation. This part we will learn later on, like, is it important? We get something like this. See here, after this, nothing is there, right? So if you notice, whenever this colon comes, after that you have a gap. After that you have a gap. Okay. After that you have a gap. So whenever these two dot comes, you have to have a gap. If you are not having, you will have some errors. Why these gaps are important? If here it is the gap, then in another language what it should be, because everywhere they have their different ways. That is called syntaxes. That we will discuss later on. Okay. So now you have, like, you know how to start a Python code and how to do that much only you're supposed to learn today. Important thing, what I want from you, you pick your own color, RGB colors. Let's say like somebody can pick turquoise, somebody can pick something, and find on Google color code for that. And then next class, you should have your background not like green, blue, or yellow or something. At least you should have all three values somewhere. And by that, you like put this thing. Yeah, like, yes, it should be gray. It should be, as I said, Google's blue or Facebook blue, or let's say, who are the big companies? Let's say Amazon's have one particular color, that color, or some colors like they are very popular. That color, let's say, new mobile. Somebody has launched a new mobile, and the mobiles are having one particular color, or golden color. So golden color also should be mix of some colors, right? So for that, you go to Google, find RGB values for that color, and put that values. So keep trying with your colors, keep trying with your polygon. Your homework is one. Next time when you come, you will get this homework in your Google Classroom also. Next time when I'm not expecting tomorrow you will do, but you can do today. Whenever I say homework, it's actually for 7 days. Okay, so you'll get 7 days time to do it. But you can practice it tomorrow. If you are practicing tomorrow, then you can ask me tomorrow itself. Otherwise, whenever you have the doubt, you send me a message in your Google Classroom. Generally in 24 hours, I fix a time and then I talk to you guys. Okay. So two things. One, you will find these colors, and second, you will give me a function. Function means this def. There I want a general function that is called polygon, and in that polygon, if I put like here, I have put 60-30. If I put their side and angle and how many number of sides should be there. So number of sides, length of the side, then it should give me the polygon. Only two things I should enter. Okay. If you can do that, I'm happy. So tomorrow what we will do? Tomorrow we will try to do a few more things with turtle. And if you are good enough, then we will try to create a symbol of Audi or a symbol of Olympic. Like both are more or less same. So what we will try to do, we will try to play with circles tomorrow. And while playing with the circles, we will learn few more things. That's all from my side. Salish, for you, like let's meet at 7:30 in night with like somewhere we can where I can hear you. Huh? Okay. Okay, guys, done for the day.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye, sir.